This little tutorial about how I am finishing my sleeve cuffs. These are my two cuffs. I am ironing with fusing and I have attached halfway. These are my two bias tapes to attach to the openings of sleeves. Width is 1.5 inches each. Length I just cut it off because I'm going to change accordingly. These are my slit position. I'm going to mark 2 inches above from the hem, and I'll be showing on one sleeve, but I go to do other sleeve as well practically. So this is I'm cutting off up to the slit end. Now I'm going to make a V shape from the slit end. Then I can open my slit 180 degrees, like almost straight line like this. And now I'm going to attach my bias cut, face side of the bias to the back side of the sleeve, and put a 1/4 inch wide seam. Now it's covering up that seam. It's fold in halfway, and you just cover the seam. Give a nice edge stitch. In that way you can have a nice binding for your sleeve opening. Trim off excess binding cut, and I end up with 1 centimeter wide binding. It has come very neat, as you can see. Now fold it in two. Make a V shape from the inside of the sleeve. From the beginning of the binding, make a V shape. In that way you can hold your slit same place. And now its upper part of the sleeve is the covering part. Now folding the slit inside from upper part and make a stay stitch. And now put a gather stitch, like a run stitch, to make a gathering for my sleeve. Now finishing off the cuffs, fold into two, put 1/2 inch wide seams from both sides. Make sure you leave 1/2 inch from top as well. Then easily I can attach my cuff to the sleeve hem. Turn inside out. Make corners nicely. Here is my gathering sleeve hem, and make sure your length of sleeve hem equal to cuff length. Measure everything before you attach sleeve bits. So you attach your half of the sleeve cuff to the hem like this, and put everything inside nicely. and cut it off all the excess threads and cover all the seams nicely. Here now, time to do the top stitch around the cuff. Starting from unfolded side and do the top stitch like I'm showing you. Here make sure everything is neatly done. Yes, I'm almost done now. This is how it came, and you go to cover the seams like this. And yes, I go to attach buttons afterwards. I have done a separate video attaching buttonholes and the buttons, so you can watch that as well. I link somewhere here. Inside also everything has to be very clean finish. Hope you learned something from this little tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you from another video. Bye.